guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a new phone theme. So this particular phone theme is one of my favorites. I think I say that all the time. They're all my favorites. I really enjoy finding phone themes, having a cute look on your phone, including wallpapers and themes, and I think this one you guys will really like. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and enough rambling. Let's just get this video started.
This is by Hello Kitty. I really like this theme, and I really wanted to share this with you guys. I know I share usually free themes. This one is almost $2, but I feel like I needed to share with you guys how it looks and how I like it on my phone because it's just too cute. I'll definitely look out if it goes on sale. It might. I feel like this is a possibility, but I will be sharing with you guys how it looks. I will also be sharing some Christmas phone themes in the next few videos, so stay tuned for that. We have some super cute bows and everything is pink. I really enjoy this whole phone theme because of how pink it is and girly. So now I'm going to show you guys the rest of the icons. So this is how they look. They're just hot pink, and I think they're really pretty. They go really well with the theme, and my folders are also like a light shade of pink, and I think it goes very well. I really enjoy all of them. Here is the calculator, just super pink. And then the calendar is also pink with a pop of blue, like a robin's egg blue. And let's see, let's check out the clock. The clock is really cute, same colors, same themes. Here is the keyboard and messaging. Really pretty. I love how they made a pop of blue once again. I really love this like Tiffany green color. As for the phone, this is how it looks, super pretty. I love the imaging in the background, and there's two different types, one with sweets and treats and then just like a pink one. I think that is super adorable. And here is the wallpaper for my lock screen. So we just have Hello Kitty with a cupcake, and there's the licensing. It just says Hello Kitty, and then there's like another pink background as well. So I feel that looks super cute, super girly. And let me close this, and then let me show you guys how it looks like for the always on display. Super pretty. We have some chocolate bows and Hello Kitty as well. I think that's adorable. And here is the, oh my gosh, here is the iris scanner. So this is the cutest iris scanner I have ever seen. It is Hello Kitty's face. So when you put your eyes there, it's like as if you're Hello Kitty. I think that is the cutest touch, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.